Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the essential topic of heart health. With our busy lifestyles, it's crucial to prioritize the well-being of our hearts. That's why we're sharing 10 proven tips that can make a real difference in improving your cardiovascular health. From diet and exercise to stress management and sleep, we've got you covered with actionable advice backed by science. Whether you're looking to prevent heart disease or simply enhance your overall well-being, these tips are for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on optimizing your health journey. Number 10. Regular checkups. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential for monitoring your heart health. These appointments allow for the detection of any potential issues early on, enabling prompt intervention and management. Through routine checkups, your doctor can assess your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, they can provide personalized guidance on lifestyle changes and medications to keep your heart in optimal condition. Number 9. Maintain healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for heart health. Excess weight puts strain on the heart, leading to conditions like hypertension and diabetes, which increase the risk of heart disease. By adopting a balanced diet and regular exercise routine, you can achieve and sustain a healthy weight. Aim for a body mass index, BMI, within the recommended range to lower your risk of heart problems and improve overall well-being. Number 8. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for heart health. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates, supporting cardiovascular function. Lack of sleep can lead to higher blood pressure, increased stress hormones, and disrupted metabolism, all of which can negatively impact your heart. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to promote heart health and overall well-being. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help improve your sleep habits. Number 7. Monitor cholesterol. Keeping track of your cholesterol levels is crucial for heart health. High levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Aim for a balanced diet low in saturated fats and cholesterol. Regularly check your cholesterol levels with a blood test and consult your doctor for guidance on managing cholesterol effectively. Number 6. Check blood pressure. Regularly monitor your blood pressure to detect any abnormalities early. High blood pressure can strain your heart and arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Lifestyle changes and medications can help manage high blood pressure effectively. Aim for a blood pressure below 120/80 millimeters. Consult your healthcare provider for guidance on monitoring and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Number 5. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can harm your heart. Drinking in moderation, up to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men, may have some cardiovascular benefits. However, going beyond these limits can raise blood pressure, contribute to obesity, and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's crucial to be mindful of your alcohol intake and stick to moderate levels to protect your heart health. Number 4. Quit smoking. Smoking damages your heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease. It causes a buildup of fatty substances in arteries, narrowing them and restricting blood flow. Moreover, it reduces oxygen in the blood, making the heart work harder. Quitting smoking lowers these risks, improving heart health. Seek support from friends, family, or cessation programs to make the process easier. Your heart will thank you for it. Number 3. Manage stress. Stress can strain your heart, but managing it can significantly improve heart health. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Engage in hobbies, exercise regularly, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Seeking support from friends, family, or a counselor can also help. By reducing stress, you lower your risk of heart disease and promote overall well-being. Number 2. Eat healthy. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can significantly improve heart health. Opt for low-sodium options and limit saturated and trans fats. Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and nuts, known for their heart protective benefits. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks, as they contribute to heart disease risk factors such as obesity and high blood pressure. Number 1. Stay active. Regular physical activity is crucial for heart health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing can improve cardiovascular fitness, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporate movement into your daily routine to maintain a healthy heart and overall well-being. Ready for more awesome content? Subscribe and let's journey together.